Hello, it's Stuart here from Duck Academy, once again, here with another great English teaching point. And I want to work on the question I asked you over the weekend. I asked, have you had a chilled out weekend? And I want to work on the phrase chill out with you today. There's two ways you can use chill out. The first, going back to the question I gave you at the weekend, is to relax. So I could have asked my question in another way. Have you had a relaxing weekend? So chill out can also mean relax. Another example for you could be, yeah, I chilled out in front of the TV. Yeah, I'm going to chill out watching a movie. They could be two examples that you use with that first way of using chill out. Now, the second way of using chill out is to refer to someone and to tell them not to get upset. For example, if someone at work is getting annoyed with the amount of work they have, you can tell them to chill out. Chill out in this sense can mean calm down. So, those are two ways you can use the phrase chill out. Hopefully that was great help for you, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ciao!